Welcome to Optimum Driving School YouTube channel. We are going to learn in this video Rosehill roundabout. From St Helier Avenue. Follow the sign to Reigate, Belmont, Cheam. Turn right 4th exit. After this roundabout map, move to the right lane when is safe to do so. Follow the sign to A217 West. Before you cross the first traffic light, make sure the traffic light is green and your exit is clear. After first set of traffic lights, you can use the extreme right lane or third lane from left side. Please make sure to get A217 West lane. Note, before you cross the traffic lights, make sure the traffic light is green. After you pass Sutton exit, indicate left and take the exit safely.
Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. Drive safe, save life. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.